Today we're going to do a Play-Doh video. So far, we're going to start with one of these blue Play-Dohs. We're going to open it and see which shopkin we have inside. We have a shopkin inside. Next we have this. Another one. It's kind of pinky. You can tell what it is. I'm starting to have a little fun. Now we're going to open up this blue Play-Doh. Wow. What is this thing? What is it?
It's a bag.
Looks like a little hot dog, I think. Let's get moving on to the next shopkin. We're going to see what's inside this. It looks like a big shopkin to me. Hey, look. It almost looks like a petkin. Stop.
You kind of got some
Oh, how adorable is that? Is it a bear? It looks like a bear. How adorable is this petkin? Now we're going to open up this one. Wow, what is this? It's a little mouse teapot. You can even see the details in the little tail. There. Now we're moving on to our second ball. It looks like it is orange. It is orange. How adorable is this shopkin? Our last blue of the day. Oh dear. I dropped two of the shopkins now. Just leave it away. We found a baseball. How adorable is that? That's so cute. Now, we're going to move on to this big orange thing. It's filled with shopkins inside. Here we go. Our first shopkin we pulled out is this one. So tiny. It looks like a little grill. Now, let's open the next one. This is one of the musical ones. So adorable.
As a diamond god.
Now we're going to do this little whale.
Like that.
Looks so adorable, right?
Like that.
Even has a little coin to wish.
Ooh.
Hope we find its partner, she wishes. Oh, here's a little grass thing. I do not know what that is, but it looks so adorable. Look at the details up close. So adorable. Now we're going to open it all the way, and we found a petkin. How adorable is this petkin? It's a little pot with something in it. What? Heart. And now we have, I think this is our last one. This is our last one. So adorable, right? Now we're going to open some of these pets. These are the shopkins that were on top. Now we're going to try to go quick here. First we have a roll thing. Next. Ah! Skate. Little cupcake queen. Yeah, it fell right out. Aw, how adorable is that? Where'd it go? And then we have our skateboard. So that's all the time we have, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. And guess what, guys? Try to find which Shopkin I opened up first, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.